Okay guys, welcome back. I got the aerial cam going again, and today we're going to be talking about this Sonnax kit. It's a 3/4 clutch boost springs. You get a pack of springs, about 14 bucks. These are high quality springs, made for these plates. These are the ones you got to put in on their sidewalls. You got 5 of them. But anyway, you want to take these springs and you pull these out like that. Once you pull the springs off, there's a little nipple right there, and you just put the new ones right on it, slide it on there like yay. And there is a up and down like that. Put that in like that. You can see how much taller the new spring is. It's about 3 coils even longer than what we already got, and you can see that the clip is on the outside of the spring. So when you put these on, tilt your spring and get it up under that clip, then slide it down in there like yay. And once you get that in there, I hope you guys can see the difference in the length. It's almost like 3 coils gone on these springs. A lot of people leave these out, but it's better that you don't leave them out. Everybody that I've listened to, and I don't know how to do this, that's why I'm making these videos, to show y'all how it's actually done and how long it really takes. So I'm an amateur builder, I guess you'd say. And just take the old spring out, slide that in like that right behind it. Get it up in there. Now you got some good boost. There you go. Got good. These springs feel really good actually. They got a lot of tension on them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these backing plates that the springs mount on, because you can see they're full of carbon. So I'll drop them in there, and the new one that's already done, I'll drop it in there for demo purposes, and we'll soak it in a little bit of mineral spirits. We'll soak it in some mineral spirits in the bottom of this cup, and then we'll dump the excess out, and we'll put it in our parts wash. Alright, that's about half inch deep mineral spirits. So anyway, the Sonnax kit number 77763-01. That's 77763-01, and it has enough springs to do all five of your 3/4 clutch boost plates. So I would totally suggest that you go ahead and replace those. I mean, it's usually the small things that will get you. You know, you got to be careful with the small things, because if you don't take care of the small things, the big things will get out of hand. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.